Awesome.
Cessna 30 Papa, runway 17.
All right, how about a strap check? Hey, look, everything's upside down.
Always interesting when that happens.
All right, I got a squealer. All right, let's do some aileron rolls. Clear line of breaths, right side.
We're at the right side.
All right, let's do a barrel roll to the right.
All right, here we go.
Oh, yeah. All right, let's do an implement.
All right.
Hey! Oh, yeah. Yeehaw!
I got all thumbs up over here. We're good one.
We're good one. Check 30 left. All right, let's go for a loop.
Oh boy.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. And let's go for hammerhead. Recover opposite direction.
One.
Making my own cloud over here.
Yeah, I'm going high. With my own float.
So we need more out of the cloud. All right, check away.
Away.
Turn in left to left, torque rolls to. Let's go right to right, torque roll, tail slide, recover to the east.
All right, torque roll, tail sliders over east. Here we go.
Oh my goodness! Oh, we're falling! That's a new one. One of my batteries fell out of my headset there. All right. Let's do an easy hook left.
Easy flip.
All right, we're gonna climb it up, do a little upright spin action. What do you think?
I think I'll keep it to the tumbles. I think I'm going to take some spins out. We'll see how it goes.
You want to do the tumbles, is that what you said?
I mean, I think, tumbles or spins, but I'm not really going to wrap it up to a bunch of spins with these altitudes, I don't think.
Yeah. All right, you're clear to spectate. We're up first.
All right, you go for it.
Oh, what's happening? Oh!
You're just doing upright spins, I got you. I'm back at your 6 o'clock.
All right, visual, we're watching you. Go for it.
All right, here we go. I think we're going to stumble a little bit.
Go for it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. All right, in place, 180 right.
180 right.
All right, it's our turn for a tumble.
All right, let's do it. Visual on you, you're clear.
All right, you got anything left?
Yeah, we'll tumble it one more time. Why not? Here, you got me?
Go for it.
All right, here we go.
Look on your nose. Whoa, look at that. All right, coming up on your left side, clear fighting wing.
Right, visual.
Visibility 5, light rain, ceiling 1,200 broken, 3,200 overcast, temperature 17, dew point 17, altimeter 29994, localizer DME Delta, GPS runway 17 approach in use, landing and departing runway 17. Hazardous weather information for California available in high watch flight option flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact. You have information uniform.
All right, your information uniform still current. Push tower. Gillespie Tower, extra 466 Mike Delta, flight at 2 extra, 6 miles to the east, 3,300. Information uniform, looking for initial for 27 right.
Extra 466 Mike Delta, Gillespie Tower, report turning initial, right turns 1,600, wind 120 at 6.
Okay, 4 to 3 mile initial, 1,600 for 27 right, extra 6 Mike Delta. You did good. Good job. Woohoo!
Extra 6 Mike Delta, at midfield, break right, short approach crew, going 27 clear to land.
Extra 466 Mike Delta flag. Clear land 27 right, right midfield break.
An extra 6 Mike Delta flight, roger. Good job. Well done.